In 1940, the Colonial Baking Company started operations in Muncie, and we progressed until in 1957 we built a new plant that we now occupy here on Kilgore Avenue. And we're real happy to announce that the growth of Muncie and northeastern Indiana has afforded us a growth that we can expand our plant. We today are starting an expansion program that will add about 18,000 square feet of building at a cost of around $400,000, and we will add some equipment that will run between $400,000 and $500,000 to make this one of the most modern bakeries in Indiana. In 1957, this was one of the most modern bakeries in this part of the country, but we find that 11 years later, we now have to expand again, and we're real happy about this and feel that the growth of this section will afford us the continued growth that we've been happy to have the last 25 years.